Hello, welcome to My Startup TV. I am Major Sunil Shetty with yet another episode of Founder Talk Show. AI has been, the buzz across all industries, and one industry which is not where you don't hear much about AI is the manufacturing. Today, my guest is Arun Kumar, who is the founder of Opsight AI, a startup that is a 2 years old startup that is into creating AI using AI for manufacturing industry. So let's understand what does it do, what are the advantages of using their solution or their products for manufacturers. Arun, welcome to the show.
Thank you, sir.
Arun, before we get into understanding Opsight AI, We would like to understand about you and your other co-founder and your journey as an entrepreneur. How is the personal side of it?
So, hi, this is founder and CTO of Opsight AI. So, I have an experience of around 10 years in industrial automation and AI, IIoT. And I started my journey in 2016 in industrial projects on industrial automation and IIoT. So, I did my bachelor's in 2015. Then in 2016, I joined IIT Delhi as a project associate. There, I got a hands-on experience on industrial automation, PLC programming, embedded systems. Then I joined Foundation for Smart Manufacturing, which is again based in IIT Delhi itself. There I worked on industrial IoT projects. So communication, networking, and all those domains were covered there. Then in FSM only, I met with Pulak, who is also the founder of this company, and he had experience of more than 10 years in manufacturing and machine data. So mutually, we decided to work on this idea, which is Opsight AI. So it was actually started from the vision of bridging the gap between the shop floor data and actionable insights. So there is a lot of data in any shop floor. For so we just created this idea to use those data for this actionable insight for the management, for the industry. And there my background in this industrial automation and IoT and Pulak's experience in manufacturing and machine data actually helped us to build systems that can integrate with these legacy and modern machines. So that is the vision behind Opsight AI actually.
Interesting. Both you and your co-founder have quite a deep experience of 10 years each, and having worked in different companies and different experiences. So, for the benefit of viewers out there who are our key, or the bulk of our viewers are in the age group of 18 to 24, who are either aspiring entrepreneurs, students, or very early stage entrepreneurs. So for their benefit, what would you advise somebody like you who's hardcore into tech, right, a startup? Would you say have some experience under your belt before launching your own venture?
So actually, it depends on the idea. I guess age is just the number. Yes, experience helps because we have this experience, Pulak and myself, and this experience is actually helping us to do the projects and create our own products. But if any entrepreneur in the early stage has that idea and has that vision, I think he will get that experience in its entrepreneurship itself. So that totally depends on the idea, but yes, experience certainly helps in any kind of startup.
Especially when you're talking about technology, isn't it? Working under seniors, or more, people with experience better than you in terms of as a junior when you start very early on. So I think in technology it definitely helps learning under somebody and then doing it. So coming to your own venture, what is that, when you came together, was it an instant thing that we're going to be the founders and let's get into entrepreneurship? Can you take us through that journey, the thought process? What got you both together to say let's leave our full secure jobs, get into this, and identifying itself that this is what we want to do? How did that come about?
I visited many industries. So where even industry 3.0 we talk about industry 4.0 in India, but there are industries in India where even industry 3.0 is not implemented. So while some large companies had already established smart factories with the help of industry 4.0 technology. So when Pulak and I met at IIT Delhi, we had this idea that we can work for MSMEs where we can create this scalable impact and the realization of MSMEs that needed a smarter, not just the automated solution, but a smarter solution to these MSME industries. So that was the idea behind this startup, because we have worked on these technologies for many years, and we just wanted to integrate these technologies to these MSMEs. And in today's world, there is a lot of competition for any particular industry domain. So yeah, that's what the idea was, that we should create something, we should create some solution for these MSMEs, where they can implement industry 4 very easily, and with a cost effective solution.
And
In India, definitely this is a challenge where parents play a key role in making the decision, the career choices, the pivot itself, right? So for you, was it easy in terms of getting support from your parents when you decided to leave full-time job and get into entrepreneurship?
This decision was easy because I had that confidence that this is a good idea and we can do something good together, myself and Puller. So getting that confirmation from parents was not that difficult, because as I already mentioned, that we have that experience and we have that backup, because we have already worked on these kind of technologies. If anything goes haywire, then also there is no problem. I guess we have that experience, we have that confidence that we can do good. So yeah, there was not much difficult.
viewers, viewers, we are in
With
conversation with
Arun Kumar, founder of Opsight AI, a startup that provides solutions to manufacturing sector. So Arun, coming to Opsight AI, so tell us about the product or the solution that you offer to MSMEs and manufacturing sector.
Tackle problems like unplanned downtimes in industry or any machine, low OE, poor traceability, and manual data dependencies. So we digitize these operations and enable real-time decision making through smart dashboards and analytics on the machine data. So we have two solutions. One is my hardware solution, and another one is the software solution. So what hardware does is it collects the data from different controller or sensor or any kind of shop floor asset, energy meters or anything. It collects the data, it processes the data, and it sends the data to any IoT platform on any IIoT protocol, that is MQTT or APIs or OPCUA. So it's a gateway which is collecting the data from these machines or shop floor assets, and it is sending the data to a cloud for real-time monitoring and decision making. And along with that, we process that data. So we calculate the OE, we give the alerts to the concerned person over this dashboard. Then we also digitize the manual data entries in the machine. So there can be no manipulation or human error involved in this solution, because the data is directly coming from the machine itself. So either it's a sensor, energy meter, or any kind of controller. It is taking those data points from these assets, then processing it, and then sending it to the dashboard, where the higher management can see the data, can see their plant performance, machine performance, or any line performance. So,
so
and
what does
Sorry, go
sorry,
ahead.
go ahead, go ahead.
yeah, and this is the hardware, and then the dashboard is our software solution, where there are templates for different kind of machines. I can easily drag and drop for different machines. So like there are templates for energy meters. If I am giving a solution for energy monitoring, I can directly drag and drop and it will create the dashboard. I can add different organizations. There are organizations or a number of plants of an organization. So I can add those plants, machines, and visualize the data on that dashboard itself.
So basically,
It is operator friendly. because drag and drop, so they don't have to enter a lot of data into it. It also provides visibility to upchain the managers and people, especially the quality control, and for the company, reducing downtime means better production. So all of these, what does it translate into? A better quality product, low wastage, a better pricing. Is that what it translates to?
Call, because when we are increasing the OE of a machine, automatically it reduces the downtime of the machine, the uptime will increase, then quality will increase. And as I said, that we do analysis of the data which we are getting from the machine or any controller. So we provide the predictive analytics also. So if we predict that downtime, that okay, so and so in so and so date there can be a downtime, so I can easily predict and I can send that machine to maintenance before it goes to the downtime. So yes, quality increases, OE increases, availability of the machine increases, and along with that, energy wastage is also reduced, as I am giving all the data and alerts to the concerned management persons.
So
A solution like this becomes quite a critical one or important one for industry like defense, isn't it? Where you want to keep all of these under check, or medical device manufacturing industries. Any other specific industry? I said a solution like yours, that the solution that you are offering, become very critical for industry like medical devices manufacturing, defense industry, isn't it?
We have worked with different type of industries. So there are automobile industries, glass industries. So this is the solution which can be implemented in any kind of industry. So if I talk about medical industries also, if there are machines from where they can get the data, they can do analysis. So yes, this solution can be implemented in any kind of industry. It's not an industry specific solution. So it can be implemented in automobile industry, again the medical industry, glass industry. So we have implemented this in automobile, glass, and steel plant also. So yes, this can be implemented in any kind of industry.
you also said,
Among the MSMEs, they are still at 3.0 of industrialization. So getting them to upgrade to something that you are offering with AI, are they open to it? Because there's a cost involved with it.
Yes, actually there are challenges. So there are challenges which we face while pitching the idea to any industry. So there is lack of interoperability between different departments, then misalignment of vision between the management and machine operators. So operators think that this solution is being implemented to monitor their performance. So that is one thing which is lacking. Then again, infrastructure issues are there, and there are resistance to change from traditional management systems, I would say. But uh, initially there was resistance, but now many management people are now recognizing this value of digital transformation, as they get the real-time data of the plant. So yes, if I talk about management people, then they are ready, they are recognizing the value behind this solution, and especially when results are demonstrated in small scale pilots. So we pitch the idea in such a way that we do a pilot with them, we show them the advantage of this solution, and then they realize that yes, there is some value with this transformation.
So how do you overcome the resistance from machine operators, because they become the critical part, isn't it? In the final.
Train them, we discuss with them, we also identify their pain points. So in our solution, along with the management, we also identify the pain points from operators and include those pain points in our solution. So we show them the advantage of this solution to operators also. So it's not only management specific. There are different user roles in our solution where there is a user in management who can see the plant performance or the line performance. But again, there are users like machine operators who can see their machine performances. They can easily predict this downtime of the machine. So it helps them also. It's not like yes, there are initially there will be some resistance as it's a big change for them, but yes, when they understand, they cooperate. So we have deployed in 10 to 12 industries, and they have cooperated. Initially there was some resistance, but after the pilot project, they cooperate for this solution.
So Founder Talk is also popular
among entrepreneurs, and definitely there must be a segment of manufacturers who follow these shows. If you have to give them a message, what would that be?
I will say that industry 4.0 is
The future of this I would say manufacturing solutions, and this edge AI or autonomous factories and AI driven maintenance will lead this. So this will become necessary for the manufacturing industries for or to implement industry 4.0 in their plants or factories, because now I guess they are getting ready slowly, but in coming years, in 3 to 5 years, if I say, then this technology will become necessity for these industries. So yes, industry 4 helps, and they should opt this solution for their industry. So that's the message I would say to the manufacturing plants.
we are
In that part of the year where the final year students are about to leave their or graduate and move on, coming out with engineering degrees, and then the fresh batch of students joining into in couple of months they'll be joining new courses in engineering. What would be your message for them?
actually
So recently we hired 4 to 5 interns, and I'll say the learning which they have got from Opsight AI in these 6 months, I'd say it helped them, and I guess they have worked in different domains, and they have learned this technology in 6 months itself while working on different projects, different products, and now they are industry ready. So I guess for the new freshers also, I'll say apart from the package, they should also see the learning from the company which they join, and they should at least give a year or two for learning itself. I guess if they go to a corporate world, they will certainly learn, but to hone their skills or implement the learnings which they have done during the internship or during the college, they should give a year or two to explore these options, explore these technologies. So there are different technologies apart from CS now. IIoT is there, industrial automation is there, ML is there, AI is there. They should give time to these technologies and explore the options.
and for those who are graduating,
they have
Now the students are smart enough, they already explore these options in colleges itself, and now colleges are also giving these opportunities in different domains. They give opportunities for internship. So during my time there was like only 2 months internship in the final year, but nowadays the students are uh, getting internship in second year, third year, fourth year as well. So before this call itself, we were interviewing students from the second year for internship in Opsight AI. So yes, they explore options from second year itself, first or second year. They have that uh, I say resources from where they can get the idea of these different technologies.
Viewers, we are in
With
conversation
Arun Kumar, founder of Opsight AI, a startup that offers AI solutions for manufacturers. So Arun, MyStartupTV, we are a media house dedicated to entrepreneurs and startups like you. We carry your story. We broadcast live broadcast events, startup events, and provide a platform for young entrepreneurs like you. For the work we are doing, any thoughts?
I said, to the kind of work we are doing, any thoughts or anything that you want to say?
Actually, it's a good thing that you provide these platforms to startups where they can, pitch their ideas, or I guess they can tell their stories, tell their solutions to the viewers, that what we are doing, how they can contact us, and what is our journey. So it's a good platform actually, and I would like to thank you for this platform, for giving this opportunity to me to, I guess, tell my story, tell my solution to the viewers, to the manufacturing industry. So yeah, thank you.
No, thank you very
For
much
being
for
on our
being
show. Viewers, if you want to hear such interesting insights from founders, join us every day, Monday to Saturday, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. for our Founder Talk live show. Thank you very much for joining us. Do follow us on our social media handles, and do join us tomorrow again. Thank you, Arun. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you.